Who got another lovely wholesale? Oh, hey, who got another lovely? Hey, who got another lovely wholesale? Hey, hey, hey. Twerk something for me. Woo! Alright guys and gals, let's jump right into this haul. So I remember telling you guys that I was going to do another one. I'm going to read some more reviews and get it on and popping with Lovely Wholesale. So that's what I did. So this first outfit, oh my god, I love it. I'm not sure if I got the straps right, but it just crisscrosses in the back like that. So you kind of just put it over your head and then you just put your arms through the hole like that. But yes, I'm loving this. I don't think this is bra friendly because your whole back is out, guys. Your whole back. But yes, I'm loving this. And yes, we're gonna get into this hair too. But let's get back to the outfit. So yeah, I absolutely love this. It is wide leg, bell bottom, and it's a one piece. So yeah, girls, if you're top heavy, just be mindful. You will not be wearing a bra with this one. Maybe you could wear the one that sticks here and you kind of pull it up some like that. Because you know, this is pretty high up, so I believe that you'll be able to get away with that bra, I think. I don't own one of those, so yeah, I can't try that for you, but so yes, I'm loving this. Look at this outfit. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me give you a little walk. So this outfit right here, honey, is definitely giving me like Instagram vibes. I think this would be a good picture. I mean, you guys already know, like I tell you in all my videos, I'm super colorful. So it's almost kind of, I shouldn't say it, but it's kind of giving me Raggedy Ann doll vibes, but that's just me. I think it's because of the plaiting and all these patches of plaid, but the material is like the super stretchy material, so yeah, if you stretch it, it will lose its color, but this is good. And I got this in a extra large, so it's really, really stretchy, and I like it a lot. So let me show you the bottom, so you guys can fully see the bottom. It comes all the way down and it actually covers your feet, so I have no problems with this here. I am 5'7", so yeah, go figure. So this is really, really long for me, but you know, you just wear some like high heels or whatever, you know, and you keep your dick pushing. Alright, let's get into outfit number. Okay, y'all, let's get into this next outfit. So we're not talking about the shirt. The shirt I got somewhere else. But we're talking about the jeans. And these aren't even jeans. These are Bermuda shorts. If you guys remember from my last Lovely Wholesale video, I told you guys I never had a pair of Bermuda shorts. So I went back and I said, let me try the same pair that I had. They were white. So I said, let me try them in denim. And that's what I did. And they actually look good. These are actually kind of tight. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. Do a little walk. Y'all like that mirror action? So I'm working with it, you know, I'm trying to get this whole mirror action and everything. Are adorable. They got the rips just like the other ones did. Super detailed right here. They actually remind me of the denim Bermuda shorts that Fashion Nova has. But this is Lovely Wholesale, so it's a lot cheaper, like way cheaper. Like these Bermuda shorts, if I'm not mistaken, were like $11, if not cheaper than that. But yes, honey, look at this. Look at this. So these don't have that much stretch. I don't know why the white ones had more stretch than these. I guess this is more like a true denim feel for whatever reason. But yeah, they fit, so I'm happy. I'm just happy they fit. Like, I absolutely love them. Oh my goodness. Y'all already know. Lovely Wholesale, you did your thing. Hey, Lovely Wholesale, you did your thing. All right, guys, let's get into outfit number 3. So this next outfit, I'm in love with. Like, oh my goodness, I absolutely love the colors. It's like a tie-dye. I really, really love this. Like, this is so awesome. And I just tied a bow here, so it actually comes open. But, you know, I ain't gonna open it for y'all, but it actually comes open, so you guys can see the opening right here. So yes, your boobage will be right up in here. Now, it also has these pads that I'm not feeling. Like, these pads, hold up, let me get close. Like, what the hell? Why is the padding up here? You got all of this room for the boobage, and the pads are up here. Like, I mean, they actually don't look bad right here, but it's not supposed to be there. Like, they're supposed to be down here to cover the nips. I mean, cover the nips, man. So it's okay. Like, Lovely Wholesale did their thing with this. I absolutely love it. So y'all wasn't gonna tell me that my laundry was in the background while I was filming this video, no? It's laundry day, so yes, my laundry was in the background. As soon as I realized it, I moved it. I'm so sorry. Last and final outfit, it is the pants that I got actually from Lovely Wholesale, and they kind of give like an ashy, it's supposed to be snakeskin, so I mean a fake snakeskin, you know, but it's kind of like an ashy print. Can you guys see that? You see what I mean? So it's not like, you know, the pleather pants that you would get or whatever. You put your nice little shirt, like this would be such a cute shirt. Like even the black on this is not even that black. Like it was jet black in the photo, and this really looked like some snake going on. Let me take y'all down a notch so you can see what I'm talking about. They do come all the way down, so that is a plus. But yeah, that's the only thing. So I didn't think these were gonna have a zipper. I actually thought that these were going to be just like the other ones, spandex, where you pull them up and that's it. Actually have a zipper. So I'm excited about that. And they fit, they're super stretchy. So you got a lot of stretch. And yes, these are an extra large. So now you guys can comment down below and tell me what you think about which outfit is your favorite. I want to say my favorite would probably be the dress. The last dress that I just had on. I think I absolutely love that one more than anything. Like the colors just, they do something for me. But let's get into this wig. So just like the other Lovely Wholesale video, I bought a wig, so I also got this one now. And yeah, I did take a flat iron to it. I didn't do anything to this wig except flat iron it. So I'm just gonna tell you and show you guys what is going on with this hair from Lovely Wholesale. Like I said, it does have this silky texture. It's like that baby doll hair, and you can see like they tried to do like little side points or whatever, but look where the point is over here. It's just shifting and it just keeps shifting. So you're just gonna have to tame it and try to get it over there. Not that anybody would get this hair, but I like it. It is very, very shiny. So I did not put baby powder in this one. Let me see if I can show you guys how it's looking up top. Got like a little patch of whiteness right there, so it's supposed to look like scalp. But these bangs, they need to be trimmed, honey. Like, Lord Jesus. I don't even know what to say. I mean, you could tell it's a wig. Like, it's a wiggy wig, you know? It's one of those wigs that you're like, ooh, girl, she done went out and bought that. What was she thinking? Why was she coming through with this wig? She really thinks she's doing hot stuff, don't she? But you know what? I am doing hot stuff. F that. I like it. If you like it, you should purchase it. Literally, the wigs on Lovely Wholesale were only like $6. Some of them were $8, and some of them were even $4. Like, I couldn't even get over that. That was like mind-blowing. So I took advantage of it, and I said, well, I want to see what it's looking like. But look at the flow of the hair. It's really good. So, you know, you can put some dry shampoo in it, or you can put some baby powder in it and try to calm it down some. But overall, I mean, I like the color. I really like the color. Ooh, don't look at my hair is peeking through. Oh, that's another thing. Okay, so one thing I didn't like about this hair is that it is not like a full, well, maybe I have a big head. So I put this on and it doesn't have combs. It doesn't have a comb in the back. It doesn't have two combs on the side. It doesn't have any of that. So it's literally like a slip-on cap. So you're probably gonna have to put some bobby pins in it to hold it in place. So that's one thing that I did not like about this unit. But other than that, you know, Lovely Wholesale stepping up. They're stepping up their game. So I'm okay with that. I mean, their clothes are super cute. You know what I mean? It's affordable. It's super cute. Sometimes you get some things that are like damaged, or maybe it'll have a hole in there or something like that. But you can always hit them up and be like, hey, I want to return this, or, you know, I want my money back, you know, kind of like an AliExpress thing. And they're pretty good with it. So me, I'm okay with it. I like it. So yes, this concludes this video, guys. So make sure you comment down below, let a chica know what you're into and what you liked on this haul, and hopefully it was the hair. But yes, thank you for joining me on this video, and guys, stay tuned for another one.